In these three problems, we are asked to determine the nature of the solution to each system of linear equations. This is problem 1. The first equation is already written in slope-intercept form because it has y by itself. To determine how many solutions it has, we want to look at the slope and the y-intercept, so they need to be in the same format. In order to change this second equation into slope-intercept form, I need to make the y by itself. To do that, I need to move the 3x to the other side. And I have negative 7y remaining on the left. And then I need to divide by negative 7 so that I just have the y over here. These divide out. The negatives divide out. But it doesn't divide out of this, it doesn't divide out for this piece. So I have negative 1/7. Now I have both of my equations in slope-intercept form. They have the same slope, which means that they are going at the same rate, but they have different y-intercepts, which means they start at different spots. If I have two lines with the same slope that start in different spots, they are going to be parallel. If they have the same slope and they start at the same spot, then they're going to be the exact same line. So this one has no solution. And the reason is because they have the same slope, but different y-intercepts. So it does ask you to graph it, which you should do, but I am not going to. You're going to start at the y-intercept and then use the slope to tell you how far up and how far over. Or you can just find 2 points for each line and use those to connect them.